What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this blind spot mirror. Wow, look at this. This is awesome, you guys. This is so cool. Look how long this is long, you guys. Very different, very nice, very cool. I like this. Here goes the back. I'm going to take it off. All right, we don't get directions, all right? So I am your directions. We have our adjuster. You could put it, I guess you could put it on the top and then make your adjustment from the bottom. So we're gonna do a little cool review. My eyes is on the road, everyone, all right? So we are doing a cool review. So right now we're going down the highway, and I just want to show you that the wide range of this. Now, it's not ultra wide, so I can see someone on my left more than what I can see on my right because I have the mirror tilted. If I make the mirror more straight, then I won't be able to see both of my sides very well. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all that, just so y'all can see this point of view. I think if this had more of an angle, like a round angle on the end, I think that would do it. All right, like if they just made this part a little bit more round, then that would do it. But other than that, I mean, that's it. There's no cars. Traffic is dead, you guys. I don't know what's going on. It's Monday evening. I thought, don't everybody leave from work? So yeah, that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Again, the little mirrors right here are better. Again, if I straighten it up even more, I can't see more on this side. So I see a car coming, and then there it goes, another one, there it goes. But you still have to turn your head to see your blind side. All right, you guys, and that will be it. Like, comment, and subscribe.